Welcome, everyone, to Global Markets Radio U.S. Preview. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Early morning action, baby. The euro getting pounded. Sterling with decent inflation report. That was a little bit of a shocker, but again, hopefully you listen to Global FX Radio, and obviously things can change in New York Minute, and the additional margin requirements set up by the CME, intervention basically by the GOB squad, in my opinion, which isn't necessarily a good thing. But we did have some, terrible numbers out of France, Italy. Industrial production numbers were terrible. We also had wage prices out of Germany, which really came in sharply, down 0.3%. That was a shocker. But, again, look at these futures. Daily chart, it looks like 1190 to me. I can't figure this out, but this is a channel line. When you zoom out on the hourly chart, 1190 looks like a big spot. Hourly chart, we're so busted on the S&Ps. We can't rally. Only down $1.25, but this looks like we're rolling over. And again, as I've said, in my opinion, this is a 1 to 2 day event. Could it be an event that lasts for a couple of weeks where we're going to a little bit of a bear market? Sure. But at a minimum, I think we continue at least until G20, because I think this was sort of the GOB squad appeasement to the Chinese. Looking at, again, there's the hourly chart. Oil looks like it's rolling over as long as we don't take out this 87.60 level. I think we roll over easy down to 85. This was a nice breakout, 85.40. So that does not look very good. Gold continues after its rally, got to that 1410 level. I mean, that was a gorgeous spot to get short. Rolling over, and I think we continue. I am looking again. I think gold comes in 10% from the highs. So 14.25, take away, we're talking about 12.75. It looks like a ways away, but when you look at the daily chart in gold, certainly looks like a possibility for sure. 13.20 would be huge. It would complete this potential head and shoulders I see brouhahaing in gold, right? Left shoulder, head, neckline. So certainly 13.20, 13.30 as a spot where gold could easily come in. It's only $60-$70 anyway. So turn to the dollar. We got the euros, the relative strength loser right now. There's an 8-hour chart I'm looking at. Again, this dollar index looking good. We went bullish last night. Again, with the gold situation, with the fact that, again, this could mean the hot money is going to be not going to be able to get in to the asset bubble that has been created by more QE2. So I really think that this was a move, a form of quasi-intervention by the Central Bank of the U.S. And, of course, that's why we have current like dollar yen continuing to rally. So it looks like 78 and change on this dollar index for sure. Could we break through it? Yeah, I think we could. I think this is pretty significant. 8-hour chart. Euro dollar couldn't rally. Could not rally. Oh, baby. Look at that nice break right there. That whole little support level coming in. I think this thing goes down to 36 right here. This low's right here, 36.50. Easy. And again, dollars rolling over. Dollars rolling up. Euro dollar rolling over nicely. This dollar yen, hopefully you bought that pullback last night. Oh, baby. It's going up. I'm short Aussie yen, long dollar yen. But this dollar yen, I would say this 82.50 is a big level of resistance. I think if we could take that out, we go up to about 82.90. This is a very nice breakout in dollar yen. The worm is turning. You take a look at this daily chart. Big time breakout. And again, 83. When you look at the daily, that 82.90 level should easily go to. Could we see a reversal in dollar yen? Absolutely. Is this the first time we've really had a big follow through from a big move, an outside day like we showed you yesterday on globalmarketsradio.com? Of course. Big breakout. Looking very good. Sterling coming around the outside. Daily, that's the daily chart. Cable, I think, does come in, but again, this inflation report a little bit on the bullish side. And again, Euro sterling collapsing. But I think that, should we're getting up to a zone where I'm definitely looking to be short. Hasn't broken any major downtrend that it's been in over the course of the last 3 sessions. I think there's a great opportunity to get short sterling. I don't see it exploding much more from here. It's already rallied over 120, 130 pips from the low. So, again, nothing's really changed again. But euro sterling melting down. So, with euro sterling melting down like this, the only way cable's going to basically, sterling dollar is going to sell off. You get a little pop here. I changed my buys. Can't believe I changed my buys. But, again, this is the inflation data. Not very good. The pound relative strength winner across the board. Look at that pound Aussie, what that sucker did. The pound Aussie. Bang! So that one's having a big monster move. Looking like it wants to go. Pound Aussie, all the commodity currencies continue to look weak. Dollar Canada, not so much. This dollar Canada, I got to tell you, I'm long it. Bought that pullback long around here. But I got to tell you, the other one's really working. This Euro Canada really blew it. Look at that Euro Canada coming in a lot more. When I misspoke 37.50, I should have known. But again, looking at this dollar Canada, I think it goes back up. I think we're heading towards 101. I think it's a nice buy right around here. You got your nice stop, easy. We take out the lows, goodbye. But I think with the dollar strengthening here, trade balance numbers coming up on the U.S. Unemployment claims also. Good trade balance number out of the U.S. More imports. Good for Canada, big trading partner. So Aussie dollar came in nicely. Continues to roll over here. SOS, baby. Wild night in dollar and Aussie dollar. Up, down, up, down. But that looks very good because it's taken out the lows. Oh, baby. Please tell me you're short. Love this baby short. Love it, love it, love it. I certainly think we get down to around 90, that breakout 99, 40, 40 pips in. I'm not looking for a major explosion more of the dollar, but certainly more continuation I see. And this dollar Swiss looking very good. Very, very good. I'd say you could even do a Fibonacci this whole move. And look like 98. The golden retracement. I didn't know that everybody from your from your belly button to your head or then to your feet is a 61.8% ratio. Did you know that? See that? You learn something new every day. What's up with that? That's incredible, though, when you think about it. The whole mathematics of technical analysis, yada, yada. New Zealand dollar continues to sell off after a vicious rally. I mean, this Kiwi was rocking and rolling. It's getting hurt. Sold the straight. I'm just getting even right now. Wish I would have waited up there. But this baby breaking out to break it down. Say hello to my little friend. Say hello to 77 for sure. I think 76.50 is even more of a possibility. Again, watch gold. Watch the metals. You take a look at some of the other ones, like I said, this Euro Canada. Oh, it's reversing a little bit here at 138. Look at that. That was my spot, too. That was a support level somewhere. Look at the 8-hour chart, Euro Canada. Well, I have support. It was somewhere. But again, this thing is all busted. Busted. Took out support under 39.50 yesterday. This baby looking very, very bad. Mas Harible. And again, people, when are you going to try my product? Huh? Come on. I got a 3-month special for $400. I even got a student discount. It's only $100 a month for you students and you war veterans. Euro yen really never broke. I'm really not in the yens. I'm in the Aussie yen. Dollar yen very strong. I can see this Euro yen rallying. Again, the key is going to be gold. If this gold, sorry, that's not looking good. But if this gold could reverse and we take out the lows, oh, baby, commodity currencies say bye-bye. Andrew Spanton, info@globalfxradio.com. Who loves you? Bye-bye.